Radiant One here. This is the second video in a series focusing on ground energy extraction. The first video demonstrated it was possible to light 52 LEDs brightly with a connection to the ground and draw no more current from the power supply while that was being done. This video shows the circuit that was used. Okay, in the circuit you can see, if you've been building exciters for a while, everything on the left is pretty much a Sec 15 Stifler circuit, except for the components that are now circled. These have been added, they weren't part of the original circuit. I'll come back to the alligator clip and describe that in a minute. Should you build this circuit, just be aware that a Sec 15 produces radio frequencies. It is quite capable of destroying a multimeter or destroying an oscilloscope. I know that from personal experience. Okay, I'm going to revert to photos now, so I suggest you take a screenshot of the circuit diagram and just have it in front of you. It'll help understand the photos. Here's a close-up. You can see the two diodes coming out just above that black wire, and there's a length of pigtail sort of coming out between the two diodes. That's where the alligator clip is attached. Behind the diodes you can see the yellow 470 picofarad capacitor. The 1 mega ohm resistor is under the board, you can't see it. The coil to the left is the LB coil, 1.4 microhenries. It's wound of probably 24 gauge wire. It's wound on a hot glue gun stick, and it's about 20 turns, I think. The key thing is none of these coils have ferrite in them. They're all air coils. The L2 coil is removed from this picture. The L1 coil is the one you see there. It's reasonably loosely wound. There's another shot. That one is 8.6 microhenries. It's about 18 gauge wire that it's been wound with there. I'll give you a shot from another angle. That's from behind, and you can see it's been wound on it looks like just an acrylic spool. Let's talk about tuning. This is the key thing here. It's quite a finely tuned beast to get it as I showed in the first video. And remember, I said that if you read the very bottom line on my circuit diagram, I talk about the tuning, and I say that it's necessary. There is a relationship between the proximity, the alligator clip, and the L2 coil, the 26 microhenry coil. Now that's the one that is added there. You can see the largest coil there. That is the L2 coil, and where I've got that bracket, the closer the alligator clip is to the L2 coil, the greater will be the current that is drawn when the circuit is unearthed. So what you have to do to tune this coil, this circuit, is to connect and disconnect the earth at the same time as moving the alligator clip closer and further away from that coil until you get to the point where the current drawn without the earth connected is the same as the current drawn with the earth connected. That's how you tune this thing. You move the alligator clip that's connected between those two diodes, and you move it closer and further away. That's all. I hope I've made it clear what the circuit is and how to tune it. I'll catch you on the next video. Thank you.